Hello and welcome to my very messy space. I know, very messy. So what do we have here, you might ask? Well, I'm going to explain that to you right now after the break. No, just kidding. Of course, I'm going to explain that right now. So this is basically an add-on for this is basically a remix of my own design called the 2040 V-slot linear slider. So what this one basically does, it is a slider, obviously, with a Creality Hotend mount and some more options which you can choose by just choosing a different model. So let's explain that. So basically a Creality Hotend mount. You are going to need some M3 nuts for that. Like right here, you can put them in right there. And that's basically where you mount the Creality Hotend, right there. So yeah, very durable because you're not using plastic threads, which are much worse in every which way. So yeah, the options you have when choosing your slider is if you want a direct drive extruder, which is this part right here, or if you don't want it, of course, and if you don't if you want a sorry, words are difficult, by the way. Or if you want a directly driven carriage, that's also an option. You can also choose if you want a screw-mounted, what's it called again? Oh yeah, it's a fan duct. Thank you, Rick. You can also choose if you want a screw-mounted fan duct or a dovetail fan duct. And the dovetail is basically, gosh dang. Give me a second. The dovetail is basically this, and the dovetail is just a different way to mount your fan duct compared to a regular screw-mounted fan duct, of course. So this design takes about 5 hours or 6 hours to print. Very long time. I know, very long. That is why I will be making a modular design in the future, so that you can basically print the modular carriage and then attach your mount or preferred options to it. So yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.